In the old days, people used to stay in the hospital until they got better. Now, the average stay is just 4.9 days. That is not enough time to recover from even routine surgery.
Skilled nursing facilities are the next logical step.
At a skilled nursing facility, you may not have all of the people there that you do at the acute hospital. However, you have the key people to help you make your transition easier.
I used to be a physical therapist at a acute care hospital, and all the rehab services that we did there, we now do in a skilled nursing facility.
Taking care of wounds, providing intravenous medications such as antibiotics, as well as providing intensive programs of physical and occupational therapy.
As part of Obamacare, patients that are discharged from acute hospitals with certain diagnoses like pneumonia, CHF, heart failure, if they go back to the acute hospital in 30 days from the time of discharge, the acute hospitals will not get paid.
At the acute stage, everything is fast and trying to get the patient medically stable. We're the ones that deal with the recovery. We spend time with them and we involve other disciplines to make sure that they have a prompt recovery.
Moving to this step of the process is less expensive for everyone.
Of course, people are always anxious to get home after being in the hospital, but the hospitals are discharging patients so soon that oftentimes they're just not strong enough or safe enough to go straight home. So in my mind, the best option is to go to a facility, strengthen for a period of days, possibly weeks, and then go home so that they can stay home safely as opposed to ending up back in the hospital.
Patients are coming in with a much higher acuity than they used to, so they're coming in a lot sicker than they used to.
As a physical therapist, I know that recovery is not overnight. There are steps, stages, and milestones that you have to accomplish.
At a skilled nursing facility, you get up to 2 to 3 hours of rehab treatment. At home, you're lucky if you can get even a full hour, and that's only if you've hired in-home rehab people to visit your house.
And home health provides intermittent care. They do not provide day in and day out care. For instance, a patient going home from acute hospital with home health orders will only receive nursing or rehabilitation services 2 to 3 times a week.
Often when a patient discharges from the hospital, they require rehab. So if they come to a nursing facility, all of that is right there on site, so that that patient gets up in the morning, goes through a normal routine, and often their normal routine of getting dressed and getting ready in the morning is actually part of their rehab program, as opposed to outpatient where they have to get ready at home and then get transportation to therapy. It's all integrated in one place, and generally speaking, the patients do much better.